Every year we chip away at the stone of reality, seeking the fundamental rules that govern the cosmos. We build colossal machines to smash particles and design telescopes to gaze back to the dawn of time. Most years we find small, incremental clues. But 2025 was different. This was a year of cracks and bridges. Cracks in our most cherished theories, and new bridges built between the bizarre world of the quantum and the reality we see and touch. From the heart of the atom to the fabric of space-time itself, these are the top 10 physics breakthroughs of 2025. Number 10. A star in a bottle. For decades, nuclear fusion has been the ultimate clean energy dream. In 2025, a revolutionary stellarator reactor in Germany, using a twisted complex magnetic field, sustained a stable plasma reaction for a record-breaking 30 minutes, finally achieving a net positive energy gain. It was a monumental step, proving that the technology to build a miniature controlled star here on Earth is finally within our grasp. Number 9. The quantum ghost detector. Scientists in the Netherlands developed a groundbreaking sensor using quantum entanglement. By linking pairs of photons, they created a system so sensitive it could detect the faint gravitational pull of a single human being walking in an adjacent room, right through a solid wall. This quantum-entangled radar opens a new era of non-invasive sensing for everything from geology to medicine. Number 8. The sound of a starquake. The global network of gravitational wave observatories, LIGO and Virgo, detected something unprecedented: the faint, high-frequency ring of a neutron star's crust cracking under its own immense gravity. For the first time, we didn't just see a star, we heard the sound of its surface shattering, a starquake that sent ripples through the fabric of space-time itself. Number 7. A new state of matter. At the University of Cambridge, physicists finally stabilized a bizarre and long-theorized state of matter known as a quantum spin liquid. In this state, the electrons in a material refuse to freeze into a stable magnetic order, even at absolute zero. They remain in a constant, entangled, liquid-like dance, a property that could become the foundation for fault-tolerant quantum computers. Number 6. The galaxy without a ghost. Dark matter is the invisible scaffolding of the cosmos. Every galaxy should be built upon it. But in 2025, new observations of an ultra-diffuse galaxy named UGCJ 1228+1510 revealed the impossible: a galaxy with no dark matter at all. The discovery sent shockwaves through cosmology, suggesting that either our theories of dark matter are incomplete